everyone. Hope you're doing very well by the grace of Almighty. Today's topic, few versus a few. Many students confuse where we used few and a few. Firstly, few. Few means almost noun by mean খুব কম বা প্রায় নেই. For example, I have few friends. আমার প্রায় বন্ধু নেই. And a few means কিছু by mean some. For example, I have a few friends by mean আমার কিছু বন্ধু আছে. মনে রাখবে few বেশিরভাগ ক্ষেত্রে ইউজ হচ্ছে নেগেটিভ সেন্সের ক্ষেত্রে and a few used হয় পজিটিভ সেন্সের ক্ষেত্রে. And finally, remember that it's very important for SSC, WBCS, banking and another competitive examination. And for more grammatical mistakes video, follow our YouTube channel IFTI Learning Academy for grammar to influence. Thank you. Thanks for watching.